Reflexive pronouns. Pronouns that are formed by adding self or selves to some of the different forms of the personal pronouns are known as reflexive pronouns. Uses of reflexive pronouns. Reflexive pronouns are used when the object of a verb is the same person or thing as the subject of the verb. Examples: Sara bought herself a new dress for Eid, her. Note, the indirect object of the verb bought refers to the subject Sara, so self has been used. John could not see himself in the mirror, him. Note, the subject and the object refer to the same person, so the reflexive pronoun himself has been used. Reflexive pronouns are also used for emphasis. Examples: We ourselves saw a tiger fighting with an elephant, our. Note, the fact that we saw something with our own eyes is emphasized. When a reflexive pronoun is used for emphasis, it is also known as an emphatic or emphasizing pronoun. Reflexive pronouns are also used to emphasize that somebody did something alone. Remember the use of the preposition by. Examples: Sara cooked the fish by herself. Note, it's clear that Sara cooked the fish without any help from anybody. It is said God helps those who help themselves. The dog managed to open the door by itself. I saw that exciting match myself. Note, you is used to refer to one or more than one person. In the case of the second person, yourself is singular form, and yourselves is the plural form.